Zhuhai, Gondit of Zhuhai. Gonna look around, gonna see Zhuhai. Yeah, yeah, Zhuhai. Under the Zhuhai sky makes your heart fly. Don't ask me why, it's just Zhuhai. Under the Zhuhai sky makes your heart fly. Don't ask me why, it's just Zhuhai.
Okay, I guess this is called Rezin Hotel, which is that giant mural right over there. So kind of an unusual building already. And I think on this particular one, what we're going to do is we're going to do a little bit of walking. So we're probably going to walk probably down that street. There's a river canal or a garden right in the middle, so we're probably going to see that. There's a water right there. I could actually go down that way as well. So we're going to choose one of those. Might choose down that way. A lot of different choices. There's a Holiday Inn right over there. Might be worth seeing. Okay, so let's go check it all out. Zhuhai, we're gonna call this one along the border. So it's a street where you can always see Macau through the fence, sort of. And this particular one has a lot more like live music kind of stuff, more than I thought. I never really explored this much. And if you know anything about it, let me know. And we're going to put it up on the map so you can see where it is as well. And we're going to walk down it and show it to you as if you were there yourself. So that's kind of a cool looking hotel, Rezin Hotel in Zhuhai. Let's get a little bit closer to it and we can see. I think we're probably going to go across that way, maybe towards that Holiday Inn. Yeah, I want to see where that river is, but we can also see it right there too. So we will catch that as soon as it turns green. Yeah, pretty unusual. Okay, so this one looks like we can't really see much with all the tree foliage, so we're just gonna go across the street right over here. Okay, so how come that guy is honking the horn? Oh, he's honking because he wants the other one to go faster in front of him. Yeah, there's a little bit of a thing right here. So when I was trying to cross that street, they really honk the horns a lot if somebody doesn't go take a right on that red lights. So, but anyways, that's the hotel that we started at. And I was curious to see what this water is, and I think I'm gonna see this hotel Holiday Inn. So I guess we'll label it walking from Rezin Hotel to Holiday Inn Hotel. Just to give you some reference, this goes right to the border. So that's the Zhuhai train station right there. Also, you can go across to Qingmao. You can go to the Macau side. It's right on the other side of that. Actually, that street looks even more interesting now that I'm over here. Well, I guess what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to cross here so we can get over to the Holiday Inn. Wow, those horns really honk a lot, don't they? I guess it's kind of a Zhuhai thing. In Macau, I don't hear that so much. But yeah, they really want other cars to go fast and turn quickly on red lights too. Anyways, more horn honking. Here's the Zhuhai gas station. Really like Zhuhai a lot, but then when I hear all that kind of like impatience, you know, it makes you a little bit irritated, makes you a little bit stressed out. Beautiful trees though, wow. Whole row of beautiful trees. But anyways, I'm just kind of adjusting. I've just heard so many horns. some really beautiful trees though. Wow. I'd like to walk down the riverway that way, but I think we've now committed to our street, which is going to be to a Holiday Inn. And the whole idea anyways is just to give you a slice of Zhuhai so you can see what it looks like, get an idea for it. A little bit rainy today, but it makes everything so lush and all the trees so green. More horns. Yeah, look at those beautiful trees. This is like a horn honking street. But it's not like that everywhere. But in this particular area of Zhuhai, we're near the border. Zhuhai also attracts a lot of, here's a nice restaurant. Looks like a nice restaurant anyways. It's like barbecue meat. There's a basketball court right there. That could be connected to a school, most likely. There's like a tennis court over there too. Ah, here's a live house over here, Encore Live House. Live house will have live music. So yeah, they call it live houses in China. Live house. This means like live music. It's a huge Bank of China right there. So Holiday Inn is coming up. We got bike share, so if you want to rent a bike, you just do the app right there. The color coding, I think what I've seen in the past is I'll see these big trucks and they'll come up and pick up like all the blues or all the yellow. So I think that they're like designated certain places and then they'll kind of redistribute them. So yeah, Encore Live House. Really curious about. There's another one over here too, Magic. So there's another live music. This whole row looks like has like live music stuff right across from the hotel here. So you see this Magic Music Club. And then there's a Holiday Inn, so that was going to be the target spot. So just walk across. Holiday Inn Express. And then we can't really see it very well, but there's a mountain, but it's like a little bit, it's really beautiful right there. The sky. So Zhuhai Gongbei Holiday Inn is right here. And we're just going to walk a little bit further. Yeah, for some reason there's like all these, let me just see what else we can see. So it's like oyster restaurants, massage, not sure, and then all those down there were all music ones. Encore, Magic Music. So those are right across from this hotel. So another slice of Macau, Zhuhai. I'm usually in Macau, so it's like. So I think I could keep going down these streets, but I think instead I'm gonna end my video, and we'll just come over here. Rezin. Yeah, and this would be a whole other street, Huaping Lu. So that's not our street, of course, but we're not too far from the border, so we're a little bit on that side, I think near there, that yellow dot. Anyways, slice of Zhuhai. I ended up going further down the street, mostly because it's kind of shady. Like love these beautiful trees, and then I just saw this one, Love Bay Music Bar. Look at that little tiny little car too. So I just wanted to see what this is all about. There's apartments all the way down. That would be equally interesting to explore. But yeah, this one right here, Love Bay Music Bar. So it looks like they got more kind of live music stuff as well. So I don't know if they continue to have more, but they do have that one right there as well. Okay, so anyways, I'll try to label the street accordingly later, but it looks like there's kind of more stuff going all the way down. His foot stand is striking. Okay, so I guess this is kind of reference where we are kind of at. Let's just end it right there. Same street. It's just so interesting because I can see parts of Macau over there. So there's a park. I think that might even be the border right there. So we're kind of walking along the border. Kind of interesting. But yeah, it's really nice over on the Zhuhai side. I didn't know all this live music places were right in this area as well, and that it was so shady with trees. So anyways, and that's the name right there. Okay, kind of right along the border, right in this area. That's Macau. That's Zhuhai. We're right on the border there. And this is kind of ended, I guess, because there's like Party K right here. So I guess this street down there is where the border was at. Is that where it was at when we started? And then over there is like a little thing called Eat Much as well. And you got all these little lines of all these big trees everywhere. So yeah, that's kind of like a little bit of a party area, I guess, all the way down those live music places too. So we're gonna end it right there.
Don't ask me why, it's just you hide.